Hello, everybody. King Sam here. And first of all, I want to say a massive thank you for everybody that has followed me from 0 subscribers to 4,000 subscribers. Yes, yes. I'm so grateful to all of you. I'm very, very grateful for the journey that you guys have followed me on. I'm happy, I'm excited, and I just want to say a massive thank you for every one of you that have subscribed to this channel and taking me from 0 subscribers to 4,000 subscribers. Every single time I make videos like this about hitting a new subscriber goal, I always say it in particular that YouTube changed my life. YouTube changed my life. I started this channel for many of you that don't know me. My name is King Sam. I make motion graphics and graphics related content right here on YouTube. And if there's something that that interests you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos just like this. And I want you to say it. YouTube changed my life. I started making videos I don't know how many years ago now, maybe like 3 to 4 years ago right now. I had to start again because I was in school that time. And from going from like a small boy in like 200 level to like actually a graduate with a job now. I have a job and I have taxes to pay, so that's good. We are growing. Um, you guys have been with me all the way, and I don't care if you subscribed to me 3 years ago, or you subscribed to me last year, or you just subscribed to me this year. I really love every single one of you. I'm really grateful for the love, the care, the ability, the strength you guys have given me to make videos. It's not easy making videos, especially in Nigeria. I have a whole video on that coming out separately about this new place I'm staying and the struggle of making videos. But I'm really grateful to each and every one of you for sticking by to me. You have literally watched me grow up in your eyes from my first video to this video right now. I am really, 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 really grateful. And I don't take this for granted. So we are going to 5,000 subscribers. And I don't know what I'll do by then, but I'm still positive and I'm still really, really grateful to every single person that has helped me thus far. King James English, thus far. And I love you guys. And from now to that next video, please remember to improve every day, to grow constantly, and to dream endlessly. I love all of you. Love you.